Today we are going to talk about those features we have in microdynamics machines, about ergonomics and how to make the operator work more comfortable and easier.
We are not gonna only talk about the operator life, we are also gonna talk about the service and maintenance of the machine. But let's start with our control panel on the front of the machine. Let's go.
Two-axis motion operator panel is in all series. Okay, the panel can swivel and it can also tilt it. All microdynamics machines have a 15-inch touchscreen monitor as standard, and this one we have an option of 19-inch.
Yes, and this controller is Windows-based to install off the software easily, and as you can see, it has 60 gigabytes of free memory.
One function that I really like for our machines is the screenshot function.
Yes, by pressing Ctrl P, you make a screenshot, and going here to System Info and Screenshot Export, you can see all the screenshots that you took on our machines.
The operator panel is very well organized. We have all the microdynamics APPs buttons in the top. We have a front USB socket. We have a mouse touch panel. Then for the operator part, we have 3 positions in manual, 3 positions in automatic. The node overrides are 100% in vertical position. So if I override, I don't need to look at the panel. Just only with the position of my hands, I know where I am. Finally, the cycle start button and the fit hold button are one beside the other one. So for the same reason, no need to watch the operator panel while machining.
In all microdynamics machine, you can operate the doors only by using one hand, and in the meanwhile, you can use your second hand to clean the table from the chips with either air gun or the coolant gun.
All microdynamics machines have 3 LED lights, 2 in the sides and 1 in the top, giving really a good lighting in all the inside the machine for the operator. Now we are going to start loading some tools.
Yes, it's super easy to load the tool because of reduced distance from the front of the machine to the spindle, because we have the gap in the chip conveyor.
Not only the spindle is really close to the operator, but also the gap between the door and the table is really small. So it makes it very easy to load our vices or our material. We take this moment also for explain that the spindle has 2 access doors, okay, one front door and one side door in case there's any maintenance or we need to add CTS. And for the ATC, we also have a front access door.
To load and unload the material from the machine by crane, you can actually remove the top cover of the machine to make it easier. Even when you remove the top cover, the machine is still fully protected.
Now we are going to see the chip conveyor and the coolant tank. Chip conveyor is really easy to move in case we need to do any cleaning, any maintenance, and it's also reversible. Now we have it in the left hand, we remove 2 screws and we can have it in the right side of the machine. In microdynamics, we designed the machine to have very easy access to the coolant tank. It's really easy to move it. We can do any maintenance we have to do for the filters, for clean any coolant or chip that we accumulate here.
On the left side of the machine, we have 2 more windows. The upper one is for access the ATC. The lower one is to access inside of the machine to clean it. Then we have 2 maintenance doors. The top one, it has 3-axis lubrication plus pneumatic system. The bottom one have all the connections for the chip conveyor, coolant, CTS.
Now we are in the back of the machine. We have another service door. It gives us access to the Spindle oil chiller for clean the filter, any service we have to do here. And we have another door in the top.
Yes, those doors are for the tool magazine. When the machine is still running, we can go to the manual mode, open the magazine, take out the tool, change the insert, put it back, close the doors, and the machine will still continue running.
Also here in the back of the machine, we have the electrical cabinet. We are going to do something that we should not do, but sometimes we need to open the electrical cabinet when the machine is on. We have a little tool for unlocked here. We have 4 keys already open, and we have perfectly access to a very organized electrical cabinet with all the drivers, Mitsubishi in this case in the top, all components, very easy, organized for anything we have to do or we need to act here. We are now in the right side of the machine. We have another door here. It's for storage. We can storage tools, we can storage anything we want in this area. And we have a big window here.
Yes, the big window is to access inside of the machine to help you with cleaning. Thank you very much for watching today's video.
We hope you learn a little bit more about microdynamics design, ergonomics, and we will keep shooting more videos for you to introduce our product.
See you soon.